Art Factory doors and gates are fine art custom built by our master craftsmen to last forever, backed by over 10 decades of fine American craftsmanship. Like castle, church, and manor house doors that were handcrafted many millennia ago, we use the same tried and tested techniques: mortise, tenons, pegs, and dowels construction with wrought iron, hand forged by our American master blacksmiths. We are the only American manufacturer that offers unlimited designs handcrafted from tree harvest to finished product, using thick natural timber from the American Northwest, natural air dried for many years in the desert Southwest, no fast process or forced kiln drying. Our tried and tested process makes our doors and gates handcrafted from this solid timber unlikely to have splits, cracks, twists, and bows during the remoisturization process. Our 4-inch thick doors are built to 65-pound structural strength. As a security door, this is as strong as your wall. With very little heat or cold transfer loss, a fortress door built to last forever. Art Factory door jambs are built to hold the house up, not the house holding the door up. This door jamb is 3 inches thick, vertical, with a full 1-inch rabbeted stop or seal face. Built the full depth of your wall and as strong as your wall, ensuring no seal leaks no matter the environment. Our hand-forged hardware is guaranteed to last forever, backed by over 10 decades of American fine craftsmanship. Blacksmithing is not welding. We are one of the last American manufacturers that offers real wrought iron products, hand-forged using master blacksmith, hammer and fire, and old-world techniques. Real wrought iron is no longer produced on a commercial scale in America. Fast process fabricating and steel has replaced most iron in this modern throwaway world. Steel will rust to dust, but hand-forged real wrought iron will last forever. Using the same methods as medieval blacksmiths, no casted copies, no powder coating, no fake materials, this will stand the test of time. All our decorative hardware is custom designed to fit your specific door, gate, or furnishing, and is not mass-produced, and is finished by advancing the natural patina using natural iron oxides and high heat. Our hardware requires little maintenance and never refinishing no matter the climate. Our modern working hardware is also made in America by precision machine shop methods, ensuring all our working hardware is as strong as our products. When you open your door, this mechanical sweep automatically tucks itself up inside your door. When you close your door, it pushes down and makes a perfect seal every time. The mechanical door sweep is adjustable to level as well as push-down pressure, usually adjusted by your installer when your door is installed. If your application requires, we also offer an adjustable saddle crushproof threshold. This cast aluminum threshold is specially made to work specifically with our adjustable door sweep. If you choose our modern self-closing hinges, you may also choose the speed your door will close automatically. These structural precision hinges can also be used without setting the self-closing feature. You may also set the hinge closing speed to match the roller pressures, so every time someone walks through the door, it will shut, click, and seal without having to set the lock, allowing for optimal energy efficiency, and it's great to keep the dog or the cat in as well. You may also set the push and pull pressure your door requires to open and click and shut. Our adjustable heavy-duty flat rollers allow these full balance doors to require 3 to 5 pounds push and pull pressure, allowing a small child to easily open and close these heavy doors and gates. When you order our custom doors pre-hung with working and decorative hardware, everything comes to you already installed and is white glove delivered as a large piece of furniture ready for your contractor to slide into your rough opening and install in hours, not days.